You shall open wide your hands to your brother, to the needy, and to the poor in the land. Deuteronomy 15:11. There is a dire need for help in Gwinnett County that most people living in our community are unaware of. In fact, Gwinnett has the third highest total homeless population in the state of Georgia. There are almost 2,000 known homeless students in Gwinnett County School District, and more than 100,000 residents have no idea where the next meal will come from. What's worse is that 51,000 of those are children. The Duluth Co-op has been on a mission for more than 30 years. The Co-op is a lifeline during emergencies. Life can change in a moment for any of us. The Duluth Co-op provides financial assistance for rent and utilities for families with dependent children. They also connect those in crisis to resources and agencies that can help. We have partnered with this organization for the past 5 years because the Duluth Co-op strives to lighten the load for neighbors and families in their time of need. Every day, the food pantry provides fresh produce, breads, meats, canned goods, and more to those in need. They also distribute clothing vouchers, pay rent, utilities, and offer back-to-school support. Their ultimate goal is to help the clients they serve get back on their feet. The programs they offer are focused on empowering the individual through services like budgeting assistance, youth protection, and supporting senior citizens. On Saturday, March 16, 2024, JosiahKids was back in the community at the Co-op for the 5th year in a row. Through the partnership, we have offered compassion, generosity, donating food, money, and tangibly helping to advance the mission of preventing homelessness and hunger in our community. Our students and families have extended their support year after year by spring cleaning the Co-op, sorting canned goods, and serving the needs of an organization that is deeply committed to the mission of preventing hunger and homelessness in our community. Thank you for your generosity, JosiahKids family.